Where's the knife?
Never mind, put the knife.
There, I'll open it.
Watch your fingers, dude. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Never using a knife. See this, the sharp edge? Cut away from yourself. Don't cut towards yourself. Cut towards yourself.
So this is from Nanny and Uncle Stevie.
I know that.
Okay.
It's a jacket. It's a sweater.
What?
A new sweater.
Take it out. Check it out. That's for you, Ian.
Wow, look at that.
Skull.
That's kind of big for you. Wow. Kick your one present. I'll open my present. Here's the big present. Pass it over.
Can I open for you?
No, it's for Sean.
Can I help you open
No,
it?
I want to open it.
This is from Nanny and Uncle Steve for
All
Sean.
your presents by yourself. It's my turn. I want to open it. I want to open it. I want to back up. Back up. I want mommy to have room so she can see. It's my present. Let's see.
What is it? Probably a toy.
Oh. More racket. No. Oh, more racket. More racket.
Nope.
No, I get it.
That's Sean's. He didn't help you.
What?
It's
Cool.
mine.
No, look. Stop. What do we get to you for? Look at this. What does it say? To Sean from Mom and Steve. So this is my present.
I want to have this.
What? I like this.
It's like the dinosaur.
I like this. I'm gonna go play with this now.
No, it's
Excuse me, it's my present. Hey, it's my present.
mine.
It had my name on it, man.
Look.
Yeah, look, I'll show you again. Where is it?
There's the kid on it.
Yeah, but it said Sean on it, not Ian. Hey, this is my present. Stop it. Go.
Come here. Nanny played a joke on you. Say thanks, Nanny. Say it to the camera.
It's your present, Ian. We're joking with you.
That means you gotta give Sean the sweater, though.
Yeah. They must have got mixed up.
You wanna call Nanny?
Call Nan and give her a crap. Say, you put my name on Sean's present.
Say thank you, Nanny and Uncle Steve. Say it or you don't keep it.
Hey, say it in the camera. Say thank you.
Thank you.